Some places are remembered for their beauty. Others are remembered because they changed history. Palayur is one such place. According to ancient Christian tradition, it is here that Saint Thomas the Apostle proclaimed the gospel and established one of the earliest Christian communities in India. To help us understand the rich faith, history, and traditions of this sacred pilgrimage site, we are honored to hear from the Archpriest of Palayur, Saint Thomas, Syro-Malabar Church, Reverend Father Davis.
Hello, welcome. I am Father Davis Kannampuzha, Archpriest, St. Thomas Major Archiepiscopal Shrine, Palayur. As you know, Apostle Thomas, one of the disciples of Jesus Christ, landed in AD 52 in India, then the port city of Musirius. From there, Apostle Thomas landed here in Palayur. He came to here to visit the Jews. The Jews were merchants then in AD 52 here in Palayur. He visited their settlement, their synagogue, and from them he understood there was a huge water pond. There the local religious people bathed and worshipped their own God with their own rituals. Apostle Thomas and the Jews came to there and the conversation made each other. Then they were doing the rituals. Their ritual was to take the water and they pray and throw it up. Normally the water drops come down. Then Apostle Thomas asked them why these water drops come down. They told that is a natural process. And the Apostle Thomas told them, when I do the same action which you did, I believe my God accept these water drops and it will not come down. Then these local religious people told him, if so, we believe your own God. Then Apostle Thomas took the water and prayed, he threw it up. Miraculously, these water drops stood on the air. Then the religious people believed him and his own God. And some told, we never believe, and they cursed this place and went out. That's why this place name became local language Shapakad. Shapa means curse. So Shapakad, that derived from the Chavakad. And those who believed, Apostle Thomas baptized in that pond. That is the first baptism pond here in Kerala and also in India because it is the first century. And after that, these baptized Christians and St. Thomas came to here and he erected a wooden cross and he prayed, Our Father. That was the first Christian community here in Palayur, and also we believed in India. And he preached the Gospels, he ordained some priest, and he lived some 2 years. And after that, he made a small chapel here. And the present church, the Major Archiepiscopal Shrine, the last structural renovation came 1601 to 1607, this period. And some other renovations, this church stood upon the exact place where Apostle Thomas founded the church. And now these sacred places remain as its own original form. You can see the baptism place behind the church, and so you can watch in front of the church where the apostle landed. That is also a boat jetty is called, and also in front of the main gate we have the both side of the gates. You will see a huge umbrella. Under this, that is a concrete umbrellas, and under the concrete umbrellas there are the statues. These statues tells the history of Apostle Thomas in Kerala. In our belief, Apostle Thomas founded and erected the cross and the church, 7 churches in Kerala, and 1 is in Tamil Nadu, Tiruvankod. And from there he went to Mylapore, and Mylapore, Chinnamale, he martyred. So I welcome all of you, and we have a great and a huge museum, Christian heritage. The museum, everything is kept, all documents and all these things. So you are always welcome to our own Pilgrim Church. Thank you.
Our sincere thanks to Reverend Father Davis for sharing the remarkable history and spiritual significance of Palayur. Our journey through Palayur has only just begun. In our upcoming documentary, we'll take you beyond these words to explore the sacred places, rich history, and inspiring stories that have made this one of India's most cherished Christian pilgrimage sites. We look forward to sharing that journey with you on TFRCC TV. God bless you.